My name's Michelle Gerhardt. I am the owner of the Laundry Basket. First thing is I make sure that everything is clean, and if it's not, then I clean, and then I usually have laundry to do. We have a drop-off laundry service. If something goes wrong, that is the hardest part. My husband passed away almost 3 years ago, and I had to quit nursing, which was my profession, and come take care of his business here in Muncie. I have college students that also work here, and so they come at different times during the day. Some days I'm here all day, some days I'm here a short day.
My name is Lindsay Friend. Well, I work at the Laundry Basket, so I'm here about 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 10 to 4. We're actually known as the cleanest laundromat in Muncie, and we try to keep that reputation.